the Icelandic turf houses, as in turf grass. These are used stone, wood, and turf used for housing the sheep. Their little spots. Come in with me and have a look at the sheep. Yeah, so they will be stuck in here, and the feed will go in there, and then the waste will go in there. What a nice setup. And the roof, brushwood. There we go. They had warm little structure, and they will go out from there. No, that's where you will come in and put all the feed. Fantastic. Today it's just a museum. There were 6 of these, and they've been completely destroyed because of the road, which is the A1 road they call it. Oh, there's a bird just came in and went. A1 road, which is just this highway which go around the island of Iceland. And for the construction of that road, of course, for us convenience for automobile transportation, of course, the 4 of these turf houses were destroyed. And of course, in 1970s or so was the last time these were ever used. And even for the sheep, now they got more upgraded versions of it's like those ones there. Those are the new sheep houses, so completely made out of aluminium and new material, of course. And not so ecologically friendly. It's more profitably greedy to have these. I mean, of course, takes a lot of effort and energy to put these structures together, as you know, and they do blend in with the nature's way of setting. But humans are looking for that convenience by completely destroying the ecological preservation. Yes, let's go and have a look in here. Ooh. There's only 2 left now. Even this would go if the Icelandic Heritage Protection Society did not take care of these, and for outsiders to have some interest in remaking or rebuilding these turf houses. There's nothing of this for the young generation to appreciate with turf house. Really does have a great ecological blend. similar setup. The natural light, if there's any, would come through here. In the winter, pretty cold. Earth, stone, and grass. Can't go wrong with this old methods that were used